First John 2 verse 24. Let that therefore abide in you, which ye have heard from the beginning. If that which ye have heard from the beginning shall remain in you, ye also shall continue in the Son and in the Father. That's the message of the Lord for you today. That God wants you to abide in Him and to love Him and to live life that pleases Him. And He wants you to be pleasing in His sight, and He wants you to live life that is holy, a life that is perfect, a life that is pure, a life that living in His will, a life that leads you to your eternity in heaven. All glory belongs to God alone. Thanks for watching the video, and God bless you all.